Alrighty, this is what I've accomplished this week on my senior project. Firstly, I got this cube built. It actually took quite a while. What I had to do was make a Blender file for each of these 27 parts, and then I had to figure out how to import them into Godot. That took quite a bit of time to do, and place them all in the individual spots they're in here, space them out, rotate them, all that crap. That took forever. And then I made 3 different classes, or scripts, I guess. The first one is just for the cube. All these functions I have here are individual turns you can do on a Rubik's cube. It's not even all of them, but these are all like the standard ones, like rotating the cube, not actually turning it, but like physically rotating it. Then like every possible regular turn you can do on it. So I have all these I need to do. That's the goal for next week, to get all of these done. That is going to be quite a pain, and I'm thinking and trying to come up with ways where I can do all of these faster instead of just doing one by one, because that is a lot of functions I have to do. Then what I also did is I made cube logic. I'll get into that in a second, but then we have like sticker. This class is for each like sticker on the cube, and it kind of tracks what color the sticker is. And cube logic kind of swaps them around when you do turns and stuff. So it's kind of the same thing as what cube was doing. But yeah, each sticker keeps track of the last color it was, like before the turn, and then its current color. And then for cube logic, basically, I have all the same functions again for all the possible turns. I'm gonna have to do it in here too, so I have to program them like twice, unless I can find a way to kind of merge them. But for now, this is what I have. Then we have like this function that sets all the colors. So it takes like one side of the cube and it updates all the colors. So like you want like this sticker to turn blue instead of yellow, it does that. It does it for all 9 stickers on the side. And then what I did is when it starts, it's going to do that for all 6 sides. It sets all the colors, because when you first go in, it's gonna be like this, with green on front and then white on top, red on the right. So it's going to be the same every time when you first start. So that's what it's doing here. And then this is pretty much just, this is one of all of the possible moves. I haven't even finished this yet. Like, I copied this one and put it down on some of the later ones. So like this first line's done, and like this one's half done, and then these ones need to be changed. But that's where I'm at. Next week is going to be quite a grind getting all these possible moves programmed. There's a lot of repeating code, so I do want to kind of find ways to make it more reusable, make more functions and stuff. And I've done a little bit of that, but like still there's a lot to be done. But yeah, next week is going to be very code heavy. Yeah, I will be back to update you then. Adios.